In this demo, we're going to build an AI-powered drone swarm controller from scratch, and we'll use an AI coding agent to do it. Here's the system we're building. Simulated ArduPilot drones running in Docker communicate over MAVLink, and we use RTI Connext DDS as the middleware layer to bridge telemetry and commands. On the front end, we have the Tower UI, a web-based control interface where an operator can issue natural language commands like take off all drones to 100 meters and see live drone positions on a map. The agent's job is to write two Python bridge scripts, one that reads position telemetry from MAVLink and publishes it to DDS, and another that subscribes to DDS commands and translates them into MAVLink actions to control the drones. These scripts are the glue between the simulated drones and the rest of the system. Before we jump in, let's talk about what Connext MCP is. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that lets AI agents call external tools during their reasoning process. Think of it as a way for an LLM to reach out and ask a question mid-task, rather than relying solely on what it learned during training. The Connext MCP server provides a tool called Ask Connext Question. As shown in Claude code on screen, when a coding agent hits a question about the Connext API, like how to configure a QoS policy, how to use dynamic data, or how to set up a wait set, it can query Connext AI and get an authoritative answer in real time. That answer then feeds directly into the agent's next coding step. This eliminates the need to guess from training weights, saving you valuable tokens by skipping the manual API research. If you want to learn how to install Connext MCP for your agent, visit the QR code on screen to get started. So, we gave the agent two files. The first is task.md, a specification document describing exactly what the two bridge scripts need to do. The MAVLink message types to handle, the DDS topics and field mappings, unit conversions, and pseudocode for the overall structure. It's detailed, but it doesn't hand the agent working code. The agent still has to figure out the Connext Python API to implement it. The second file is verification.md. This describes how to test the result, monitoring the position telemetry log, checking that all drones report altitude changes, and running an automated test that sends per drone takeoff commands and confirms all three drones reach altitude within 60 seconds. This gives the agent a clear definition of done. Now for the interesting part. We ran the same task twice, once with Connext MCP enabled and once without it. Both sessions used the same base model, the same task files, and the same starting conditions. The only difference is whether the agent had access to the Ask Connext Question tool. Let's watch both runs side by side at 10 times speed. Keep an eye on a few things as this plays. On the left, with Connext MCP, notice how the agent asks targeted questions about the API and moves quickly through each implementation step. On the right, without Connext MCP, watch what happens when the agent hits the DDS code. It stalls and starts exploring. Let's look at the results. With Connext MCP, the agent completed the task about 17% faster. But the bigger story is what happened without it. The base model had to write code for the Connext Python API entirely from its training weights, and when it got stuck, it burned approximately 66,000 tokens exploring the API through trial and error. Here's a concrete example of what that looked like. The agent tried to access a DDS topic's type through an attribute that doesn't exist. It then launched a 57-second research session using 37 tool calls and about 66,000 tokens just to figure out the correct API call. With Connext MCP, that same question gets a direct answer in a single tool call. Now, let's see the finished system in action. We're running 9 simulated drones with the code our agent wrote. This is the Tower UI. I can type commands in natural language, and the system translates them into DDS commands that control the drones via MAVLink. All right, let's take off. I'll type, take off drones 1 through 9 to 100 meters. I hit execute plan, and all 9 drones begin climbing to altitude. You can see their positions updating live on the map. Now, let's spread them out. I'll set each drone to a different heading, evenly spaced at 40-degree increments, and then move them forward 500 meters. Watch the map as they fan out in a radial pattern. And we can bring them back. I'll reverse their headings and move them forward again to converge back toward the center. Finally, we land all drones.
So what did we see today?
An AI coding agent built a working drone swarm controller from a spec document, writing real Connext DDS code that bridges MAVLink telemetry and commands. With Connext MCP, the agent completed the task 17% faster and avoided the costly trial and error process of figuring out the API from scratch. Connext MCP gives AI agents on-demand access to authoritative Connext knowledge. Instead of guessing from training data, they can ask targeted questions and get accurate answers right when they need them. Whether you're building autonomous vehicles, robotics, or distributed simulation systems, Connext MCP helps your AI tools work smarter with Connext. Again, if you want to learn how to install Connext MCP for your agent, visit this link to get started and reach out to RTI if you have any questions.